Welcome back.
Welcome back.
We are at the Shack.
The Shack.
Going to see our buddy Josh.
I'm reading my flashcards. Seeing my buddy Josh at his new spot. Ta-da!
Hey! What up, what up, what up, what up, what up?
Hey!
What up, dude?
What up, George?
How you doing?
Good. Let's get it.
Check the mic. 1, 2. Bassline and Bloom style. We're about to light it up. On the rhythm. Sunrise creeping across the window pane. Another day, another chance to feel the rain. But my mind's a busy highway, full of noise and doubt. Gotta find a way to quiet it. Turn the volume out so I light a spliff. Watch the smoke ascend. Let the world outside just come to an end. A peaceful meditation, a silent humble prayer. Chasing away the worries, leaving nothing but in air. This is my meditation, my natural eye. A gentle wisdom floating up to touch the sky. Green smoke circles here, we floating high above. It's more than just a remedy, it's a thing called love. Inhale the truth now, exhale out.
I mean, it's not like you're cutting a lot of hair. Well, congrats on the new shop, man.
Thanks, man.
It's very dope. Super clean, right next to South Point, right off the freeway. When are you guys open? You guys open?
We're open.
When's your grand opening? It's coming up in,
On pass.
See? See? I missed you.
once again.
Yep, we messed up. Monday through Sunday?
We're open all days.
Oh, okay, 7 days a week.
24/7. They don't close.
24/7. Nah, not 24/7 though.
I feel like I'm at the gynecologist.
Like 7, 8.
7, 8. All right, and you're on Booksy.
Oopsie.
What's your Instagram, or what's your?
Oh yeah.
If people wanna hit you up.
Find me on Instagram, Joshua_J_the Shack.
Okay.
The Shack LV.
The Shack LV is the spot.
2019.
Okay. All right.
Yep.
Has it been less hair to cut, or the same amount?
Not 2019. That's when COVID was before that.
18.
Yeah, because
Oh,
19
okay.
is when COVID started.
Oh,
We lived in your house at that point, remember?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's 2018.
Oh shit.
Now he got his own shop.
Almost a decade.
Hell
I'm
yeah.
like, I need your cars. Like, come to my garage. I'm like, barbershop.
Yeah, that was the struggle, right? In COVID times, it's like, thankfully the barber I had then was doing house calls, you know?
Yep.
Content, bro. Content is king, man.
Not only fans, it's only hair.
Only hair. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit.
Just slam me with a towel like this.
Elevate higher, this love story I ignite like a burning fire from the chalice.
Have you ever done like the lip thing to people? You know how you see those videos where they're like,
Yeah. I've done that.
Eternity later.
what do you guys got going on over here?
He swears that those gray wheels that have Kenda tires on it were my steers, even though these are my steers that came off of this car, but he claims that I had a 265 in the front when the car doesn't even fit a 265.
Hey, welcome back, Jeff. Hey, how's it going? Hey, look, it's fixed.
Not really, but sort of.
Kind of.
One more rent.
Don't know where we. Oh, you know, just a random box of Wise Fab. Spares. Oh shit! Damn.
Well, we're about to mount that front tire right there so we can see that it doesn't turn, so I can get paid $1,000.
Yeah, no problem. It'll buff out. Yeah. That's left the chat. Yeah. George ain't giving this one up, brother.
Because I know that you won't steer with that. It will not steer with a 265.
Wheels off. And he stayed in his
Yeah, go ahead.
Because they were the steers on the car.
Okay, go ahead. Dismount it. Let's see.
All right, here we go.
Let's see what we got. I got what pop. I'm gonna see the truth. Truth sets you free.
I want to see who's right.
I already know it's right.
Bro, I'm just telling you we're done. I don't know. If you...
No, there's no backpedaling now.
No, I'm not backpedaling. I'm telling you right now, those wheels came off the front of these cars, and that's why they stayed in the shop, because they're the last ones that got changed.
Okay.
So what I'm trying to tell you is, I don't know how ended up in them but they're on your front, bro.
Caught any of that?
They were in the front, bro. And we can call Matt right now, tell him too, ask him if he fucking drove on Candace. Yeah, I'm not driving on Candace, my boy.
I don't even know what's going on. I'm just documenting
He
this.
swears that those wheels came off the front of my car when this car has never had black front wheels.
I've only seen it with gold front.
Not only that, the 265 don't even work on the front of the lifespan. It just winds like a mother. Barely even turn the wheel. Okay, now try turning the wheel. I'll pick it up in the middle because you're just gonna put pressure on the rack.
Oh, now you want to pick it up in the middle.
Well, I don't want you the rack to probably prove the dumbass point that don't work.
It's sitting pretty wide right now.
Yeah.
It's sitting pretty wide.
You know, you can't put a 265.
You got that poke.
So they don't fit?
Go ahead, turn the wheel.
I'm turning. Hold on. I'm cool out, buddy.
I'm turning. It's still hit the foot, bro. Right here. These were not
You're saying, what were you saying?
Could buy a NASCAR, complete car, running and driving, a 2025 model, cheap.
A 2025 NASCAR?
Yeah, like cheap.
That's what I'm saying. For 13 grand, that doesn't make sense.
Holy
Yeah.
shit.
Well, it's like the lower class NASCAR, but anyway, it's got a motor.
Oh, it's like a cup car?
Yeah, like
Yeah, but still, it's got all the motor and shit. Well,
And then you see your girlfriend.
hey George, is this thing's for sale?
Nope.
I don't know yet.
Not no more.
Oh, no more?
His teeth were made out of wood.
I remember putting on that big sticker.
You gotta test drive it.
Yeah. All right, well, I think that's probably it for today.
We didn't accomplish anything today.
Not a damn thing.
Well, sort of fixed, but didn't really fix the damage from Matthew Dale from the last drift experience,
Yeah.
followed by a clip right around here somewhere to remind you. And yeah, what's today?
Friday. I can't. It's already Friday. That's the crazy thing. This week went by fast.
Yeah. I'm just thinking, what a waste. You've done nothing.
Yeah. All right. Well, I guess we'll see you guys.
Video.
Yeah, I think. Well, we got our hairs cut, but that was like a week ago, which is funny.
Our hair's cut.
Hairs cut, or what do you say? Ears lowered.
Ears lowered.
Hey, bye.
Okay, bye.
All right, before we leave, we might have fixed the problem. Yeah.
What?
Runs like a top. Little Smoky. Burn off that old shit. Well, alternate ending number 2, you did fix it.
Yeah, I need to plug in. Oh, I forgot to plug in the fan. I unplugged the fan.
AC and heat.
I've got a muffler for it too that goes on it, that goes up.
Oh, really? So it's even quieter? It's not bad once you close this door, though.
Yeah, there's just something in here that's just rattling that's making that ding, 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 ding noise.
Fixed it!
I'll buy it. $5.
You already owe me $1,000.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.
Is the other way around, buddy?
What's going on here with the pressure washer, huh?
Putting it away.